Episode for high juicy news. Mema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot news. Era me bro. Na ansana and something in Abebano. So we subscribe ya bomodi and say over subscribe to channel. Na our like video no give us a thumbs up. Na fi share ma wo fufuro so na we be here. Na wo and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memoir. Afi ye share ye and someone abeto yepono so. Yetie ye sa report here about to the sansemi muma yenti.
Asama and the sorry I you say the piece the EC boss, the OSP, you say 10 petitions seeking the removal of EC chair Jane Mensa, her 2 deputies and special prosecutor Kennedy Agyapong have been forwarded to the Chief Justice for determination of prima facie against them. Prima facie. Yes, see, and I can say, Nipa a petitions in Kwa edu. Hey, ne do de. Also have 5 o'clock, Becca 5. Also have 3, Becca 2. Edu petitions in Kwa edu, and a Ekoka president in Ghana 4. And almost said dabi. Mensa, any the deputies, boss Mamoni or Mama Kano, any Kennedy Agyapong, president, engineer constitution, so na ondi mrano so na Ghana 4 bi ewu omu se omujuma omudino sebio nyoma bi omu ye ne entwa kwan mu nta wo se ye pam omu. Remember omu de petition koma presidency no omu ye Ghana 4 na John Dramani Mahama oni tumi a also ode pam EC boss tie memma kwasie bi nkotena Angela FM ochana no pam keka nkwase asem nkyira Asanteman memma odwan bi nkotena Kesmin FM keka nkwase asem nkyira Asanteman memma ofui bi metena movement TV kwase aforo mo hu fi no e medada Asanteman mayan ka no kro ni dwedwam wa ha asem no nyina ne se nipa bi di petition akoma president Mahama a mo ye Ghana 4 omo se dwumadia Jane Mensa ene the deputies miensa edino enso eni keta so hye proye akankan de ene nyoma bi omo ye ebu mra so nti president Mahama enjina Ghana constitution no ontu wanamon yewo anamontuo a constitution ahye yese yentu petition so ebo obi te say Kennedy Agyapong a oya special prosecutor so din say ono so no so yade no ho asama ba yase John Mahama ontu wanamon. Now John Mahama as the president of Ghana only to me say obeden obegina president obegina Jubilee House aka say meyi nkofo wedi ana ensem na de amame no mahwehwem me hu ni so mudi for president Mahama oni sa to me no the president Mahama emrano ana constitution ehye ne se onye no ene se nsaka sankrata na John Mahama onye lawyer John Mahama sebio onye judge your constitution kire se eba sansensem na because of emra ewom ene nhwehwemu a ewom nti constitution hye John Mahama se sakrata na beka nsa onwo netiko enkoma eye the chief justice na chief justice so enhwe se ensem a ya bɔ no bɔtɔ edu a egu sankrata no so no sebio ordinary hwem a onim emra onim de no ohu se bibi ampa ewom se omo ndi mra so a ewo se sebio emra no edi wudwuma na chief justice so ama ho kwan se constitutional de ahye se enye no ewo se ye enti mema kwasie bi nkotena radio so anopa mema otwe ba bi nkotena nka se yese John Mahama be pam EC boss or be pam Kennedy Agyapong John Mahama oni tumi a de pam Kennedy Agyapong John Mahama oni tumi a de pam EC boss and deputies because constitutional emma no ho kwan na constitutional de emma ho kwan ne se Ghana de bi hu se Mensa dwumadi a odi no emfa kwan mu Kennedy Agyapong adwuma odi no emfa kwan mu a otumi tro ho krata koma president say president hwe constitution nim de kire se ye no na wo ye the constitution kire John Mahama se onye no wa ye no and the John Mahama e de petition akoma chief justice because constitution is hye no say wo John Mahama wo ye president na mom uni to me say obepam nkofo we anasa obekipi omo eye wo say wo di constitution emra kese a eye emra pon a ebo Ghana ho bra no enti John Mahama edi mra no so and also our constitution the tiko ede akoma chief justice say wona sebio eba emramu nsem nhwehwemu ne adeade a hu say we de we atochema we ntochema wona woni munyansa nti jo Mahama edi constitution so our petition the tiko edu ne nyina akoma chief justice say ono enhwem na ondi hu dwuma say sebio nsam na eye petitioners ne kyro no enkofo di for anase omudi bem. So at this point the constitution is being followed the same way time Akufo Addo about power obi petition come Akufo Addo nkofo bi come Akufo Addo na na danko Akufo Addo edema chief justice no the same thing obian bu mra so obian tia constitution Ghana mra no yenyina o se edi in time Akufo Addo be di president and nipa bi extra petition say na Akufo Addo petition no e wo so ohwemu no ono so de ma chief justice so fa Akufo Sata na Sofa Akufo na chief justice eno dane man say madam constitution is shame say yemfa ma wo ena Sofa Akufo so hwemu ena oye the constitution kire no nti enda no ye the petition come president no the chief justice the constitution kire no ena waye nti at the end of the day mema odwan ba bia nkotena TV so nkaka say Jo Mahama pam obi ana Jo Mahama ne NDC fo bi ahyehye ho Jo Mahama oni tumi ya the pam EC boss oni tumi ya the pam Kisi Agyapong the constitution that has that power to do that. And Jo Mahama osho constitution that say. And inti na odi imrana so. Inti se siano sa asem we Jo Mahama ni tumi obetuma pamo munti. Anase ensema e wakra time no on tumi enka se menkwa na madwene ho nti. Constitution say Jo Mahama on saka former chief justice. Inti ene Jo Mahama awo eye petition ne tiko e de akoma chief justice. Inti ye twen the chief justice so ebeka na chief justice ne kasa na afi ya den ya toa so efri ho. Say we Ghana ni na de make na ebia ema wadwunu mu ayo yiram kakra me team ni say me read the constitution e kano send e be ya kwase bi enkotena eye movement TV ne hu fi a ondware ya no patututu an hoka enkodaada wo say oh NDC for John Mahama ebe pam EC boss eni ntina menya abotira me yes ade me team ni say me kan constitution kakra nkyere mu adekudie ntia ende petition ne kodu John Mahama ho e Jubilee House wa woso e de ama chief justice yensua de sene be ya ofuima ana infuima bi omonum kankan bi ntumi kotena movement TV Angel FM Kesman FM and some other station to say Inshira FM and sa radio saka to say Adum FM no enkotena ho enkojimi ho ni nyina entine ka ho a ema yedi dwumadi we a na sebio ye de constitution so akyerew na we Ghana ni a wate de sene ye kyekere oman no intimi team ni say me read the constitution kakra na menjudwam team. Okay, I have it now. Me read it kakra na menjudwam na Ghana fo nyina enhu de eko. Now constitution is saying eka. Team, it's in. All right, I can use it now. Thank you. The team is say benkai we nyina enkyeremo. Team, I got only okay, I got the 3. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. P. Thank you, sirs. All right. Oh. Team. Okay, I have it. Thank you. It's the constitution say neka. In chechimam chechemu nyina no say na constitution neka. Now, so we read a petition to the president. The Ghana constitution eka nie. Ma mbiam sana be akwase bi nkasa me da Ghana for omo ba omuntumi mbiam say ema unhu. Now, petition to the president. A citizen or group submit a formal petition to the president alleging misconduct, incompetence, or inability to perform due to infirmity of body or mind. In 2025, 10 such petitions were submitted against the EC Chair Jane Mensa, her deputies, and the Special Prosecutor Kisi Agyapong. 2. President forwards petition to the Chief Justice. It make sure senior edidi so. Now, just say a few way sabio a year 2025 way and a nipa bi send petition. A year petitions nkwa edu. Edekoma a year president say a year CJ a year EC boss or the deputies any OSP no I was a president efambra kwanso na sabio enya homon sebi o maya any omodwuma no ebo bra no yema omode yentwe omaso anase yenyi omoto akonwa. Now the next step in the next step is say president forwards petition to the Chief Justice. Now the president does not investigate the matter. President on petitioner in Sakano, president is not an investigator. He does not represent the court. He does not represent the judiciary. And yet, the Juma said, so the president does not do investigations, or the president does not investigate the matter. His role is to transmit the petition to the Chief Justice for preliminary assessment. Inti a church said, a become president in Mensa, I was said, or what it call Edicoma Chief Justice, not Chief Justice Mum, preliminary assessment. Or say Chief Justice also a bomb pensem na ohu de e koso e petition in the 10 petitions ni nyina no I was say Mr. Baffoe a pensem and the friend preliminary assessment. Now uko enima, this is what it says. That's one, right? Now uko enima say neka. Now preliminary assessment by the Chief Justice. The Chief Justice determines whether the petition has a prima facie case, that is, whether the allegations are serious and credible enough to warrant further investigation. In the petition, the Chief Justice in Sa, on in the bishop who say, okay, making can crata way, who say, ampa. In some of our petition, which I say, Mensa, OSP, any Mensa deputies no, Oma nyome bi a emfa kwanu na emom engineer so wo mu a e wo say ye de ye mu hwehwemu. And the Chief Justice no is weighing the petitions because of his knowledge in law no. He is weighing the petition to say bibi wo ma egina a echere a e won gina so echere say e wo say sakratawe e wo say hwehwemu echere say EC boss no ene eye de OSP ene EC boss no deputies no omo aye enuamo ho nsem ana omo enimra bi so ejuma edema omo no nti o say yi omo to akonwa na nti de o say EC eye de Chief Justice yeni e wo say ohwehwemu ohun say engineer so wom ohun say sebio eye evidence no ano eden a sebio e kire say omo di bone na mpa na fe wa eden Chief Justice no aye den what the ama a committee. If a prima facie case is established, the Chief Justice sets up a 5-member tribunal. Inti the Chief Justice ni e pensen kratanim no who say ampa sakrata way petitions we there. In fact, yasi Mensa or koya procurement bi we boom raso or you mu say ampa OSP did you deal with akwaje bribe ampa nyoma bi omu ye entwa ye boss na asare akwaje bribe into ohun se nyina gina na so ampa enyina so wo ho a e wo se sebio ye toto o ma no a na wate committee nipa num se mo nipa num we mo na mo metena asem we so enhwehwem. After that, this tribunal includes at least 3 justices of the Superior Court. Sa nipa num no, e wo se emu miensa eye judge for miensa sesi emi no kase omu ye dwuma Supreme Court. And 2 other members appointed by the Chief Justice in the consultation with the Council of State. Inti nipa mienu na kana or say Chief Justice any Council of State etna se na ono mu di nsawoso ka se or see a nipa mienu ka ho. Inti ano de a Council of State any Chief Justice na badwene ho ehu nipa a omo hu ni se we mu de se bi omo adwene ekọ echire omo ni mu mra or see de omo mienu eka judge for miensa no ho. Sa adwuma die no na wo say Chief Justice edi. Now uko wanim a the petition no mi dwom sana ba kwase bi nkotena movement TV e kan kire wo say Mahama apam obi Mahama na ye we omo agimi omo nkenkan ti eni ti na ye dwuma de we tribunal investigations the tribunal no yete a ana nipa num ne tena ase a dwuma be no mo bedi dwuma mo de ni. The tribunal conduct a formal inquiry during which the accused has the right to be heard and defend themselves. Inti nipa enum no, say Chief Justice eyi judges miensa omo Supreme Court, na so okohia Council of State no munya nipa mienu ka ho a. Sa nipa num ne tena ase a, sa nkofo omo ho aba asem a ya petition eti omo no, e wo se omo ba na omo be defend omo ho. OSP yate odi owi nkrante ani apan na apan na owi ne sister utai wia na enya apan a odi upe to nkrante bi wo ha e kire se ayampa apan no wan fa upe ne toye na uko wia na obi efuom pictures nie uka ho asem sen na OSP abeyi ne ho ano na abaka se oh dabi media apan na mewe no sebio ankonam mekoto apan na me rekoma me wo fa asibi ma ne de hye fridge m enti busum miedu bia na makode apan no na mababa ye nkwan enti na amanfo adwene ye omo se sebio apan no meko wia na enso me wia me wo fa asibi na de hye fridge mu mame na OSP akoyi ne ho ano obi di se Mensa ne afra ne Jane Yate se wosra, unanim nyina etum, otumwa etum, weniase nyina etuntum, onsechi e black. Yese osra Abidjan pokra na se osra eye Ukraine for de. Osida bi de mesra de sebi onkofo huniye eye ala tesemina any sunlight na eye de rexona na medesra. Inti nkofo ka se eye pokra efri Abidjan anase Ukraine no, omoboa inti me de nku amedesra no sebi eye ala tesemina po eye lax na eye de imperial land na medemexe na afei committee no so etie omwano asem. Now, the process is quasi-judicial and follows due process. Into you see, sa from a process we know a di imras a yamran no mudi so de intanya so obegina obetumi de lawyer ba obetumi edi mran so say omudi mran so fenchem krojin make sure say omuntia ofa ahudie so na wo so sebi wontwa ntro entete ho nti a yamran na omunyina di so omuntata wo so ntata omo obia de na kumam adwinfi akoma pa ene akoma fita edidi no kure sebi ehono krampo no osua ekire onyankopon ana bosoma wosom ekire se asem beka no hobia no sebio asema udi fo no yeso pa o se etwuma so nti ade bia omudi mmara so pepepe ema ne kosi bibia wo se esi na wo ba recommendation to the president nti so omututu nkofo anu nyina ewie na omu nyina bebo omu nkuro na so omu hwehwem na omu gigi joma no na omu de adanse ni nyina sisi ani na omu wie a ye fra bibi recommendations nipa 5 no ombe recommendation ama president say ye tutu o ma no je Mensa ka say ne de semina odudware no sebio enye pokra efri Abidjan anase Ukraine na embiem de odudware ne alata semina odelax ene imperial ladder kakrafra intinera nkofo kan nyina omoboa na eye OSP ni so no na asem nyina ne se apan na owe no sebio na onwia oto apan efri kowu na de amane wofa ase bi ewo e de German South oho ena ya ofrizima no okofa e de be apan kwan intin nkofo se owia apan a enya apan na owia na be bi oje eye apan a wa store ena ono inti na boss na asare so ne ebusa na oyege na onyege o dabi mekasa te se gay nanso menya gay sebio mesie tu na ama megire enchese me yegimifo amanfo hu sama no ay mama enchese me yakwase ampanyi ebia nipa hu manim se me yegimigimi de se Akufo Addo bentesa inti bossman so betuma keka ne nsem atwitwa no ho ne hu se obia aboni nkro inti omu wi a no my recommendation de omu tie no no me akoma president recommendation de ne wom. After the inquiry, the tribunal submits its findings and recommendations to the president. Into the recommendation, the omogin say it was a president, ejina constitutional editu wanamo. If the tribunal recommends removal, the president is constitutionally bound to act on it. Say committee no nipa 5 na from a tribunal no so the recommendation ne ba no mka say Mr. President Mensa no boa semina odidware no enye sebio enye alata semina ene imperial ladder ene lax no wa make say eye Abidjan for pokre ene ode srana hem enti obegina no boa pamono e was a president no ediso if we say constitutional esseno ye fa bibi constitutionally bound. Yakasa be a bounder, a bamo, a show. Into President Mahama there, basically he is just a vessel. He is waiting for the committee to tell him say, Mensa na obwa, Abidjan pokre, nembum, enya edian, ala tesemina, edian OSP. Apaina na ose otodo command wofas na obwa apano na owie sika na odeto ena corruption sika na ode apan kwan ono so boa boss na asare so kase onye gay no obwa yakon the pictures bia bibisha no to ono so ye gay into Mr. President recommendation constitution kire said de be ka kire no elso ye so the president is constitutionally bound constitution essential it forces him. It tells him what to do. So he has no option than to follow what the recommendations are. Into President Mahama, technically, only the vessel, what the recommendation would say no is what the president would do because the constitution emrapon kasiena ebogana hobrano esano so onye into say constitution no kase Mr. Mahama making sure say recommendation with this one yakase empam Mensa only option also or sign no kase Mensa go home bossman go home any apan edian ambassador go home That is how it's going to be. It's mema kwa siebia nkotena Movement TV. Mema kwa siebia nkotena Insha FM. Mema odwan bia nkotena Kesbin. Mema ofui bia nkotena Angel FM. Anopa medada Ghana for said John Mahama and ebe pamu. Because as we speak today, Jane Mensa only for. As we speak today, Bossman Asare only for. As we speak today, OSP only for. As we speak, Omwa petition for Mubian Obiandi for until the investigations are done, until the Chief Justice even sees to say there is reason to move this to a committee. So as we speak, the Chief Justice has not established anything, say, or say eco committee. So we are waiting for what the Chief Justice will say. This is another story. I think it's worth discussing, and the reason why I'm saying it's worth discussing, and it's time and will break, a lot of people were discussing this issue about schools and enkwara sebi ebiye Christopher omoko in Kremofo school and ebiye Kremofo omoko a Christopher school. And then I say Supreme Court directs Wesley Girls Senior High School to respond to Muslim rights allegations. And I think that case is still ongoing. But it's very important to say you better be say. I think say Ghana no. We waste time on things, and it's a wasted time also. To be very, very honest with you, this issue is a national conversation. No. We are not supposed to make this matter a national conversation. The reason why I say this is I say you wasted time or nyoma bibriswa. In the first place, we are not even supposed to allow it to be a national conversation. Because in the first place, there's nowhere in Ghana obi betuma catch am say Nkremofo any a Christopher Eko. Since they say a woman as a Ghanaian, menti bi da. Say Nkremofo bi guha. Omni a Christopher bi so mu guha. Akan sie ni omoko. Menti bi da. So in the first place, there's no cause for alarm. We are not even supposed to make this a conversation. Adiachini eti radio, suni TV so. And the more we speak on this, and some foolish people who cannot think are putting some comments out because they are so emotionally attached to Omujimi. It is basically making this conversation, which is not supposed to get to this point. Now, majority of us in Ghana, the reason why Yambako school aired because you want them to go to a school and go pass exams further to tertiary institutions, and we become proud as parents. And awufobi or Ghana biano or priority obama akwarako school in say onko suade enti say oye Christoni na say oko ebia Islamic school. The reason why I wouldn't call Islamic school in say unim say Islamic school we omo ya ade enti ebia ti amas omo ya ade what is omo ya ade enti me pese me bako ho oye Christoni. The reason why I would obako on say o pese oba no pass into the priority number one is for your kid to go have an education. So you in Kremoni, and the same you Kremofo. Now so kasa oba enko persek. The reason I'm about enko persek, the priority is say enko persek enko suya de no on passing exams, na on be de enko university and na whatever further. That is your priority. Into school in a priority. Anything that comes after the school biano a add on. Anything that comes after the school na nipane ko biano a add on. Into so we call Presec, so we call Achimota, so we call Etiamas or in Cremonio or a Christonio. As far as your students now we rahono, the priority number one is to go learn, pass. Inti awuphobia no priority no. Now, Sakrani and Cremoni na so call a Presbyterian school, a Catholic school, an Anglican school, and na akrano Christoni na oko Etiam and a Muslim school. At the end of the day, the akorana esuma osomo it does not affect akorana de no osuano because at the end of the day sa akorana eco school na baby esuma osomo it is not a priority to wuna ohwe ana akorana baby osua de no. That is not the priority. Sa akorabi ba school or persec now in Kremoni na at the end of the day or passing the exams na oko to asoko university We don't ask say akora we or call per second no yen kremoni on your chances esmoye or your chance and some. The priority is akora ne pass ye. Now, anything a can additional no a add-on. And when I say it's add-on, it is the work of the school. It is the work of the school to make sure say akora bi o biano at the end of the day why comfortable. Now, sa akora bi e yen kremoni wo per sec. Na say ebia Presec school, 99% of the students in a Christopher a mission school. That is why we have something called the PTA. This conversation is a PTA conversation. This conversation is not a Supreme Court conversation. This conversation is not a TV conversation. This conversation, it is not a parliament conversation. This conversation is a PTA conversation. We cannot make this a national conversation. The reason why it's a PTA conversation is that Sammy Kwamiti me wo me ba na me hu se tia amadia school ni a good school champ per sec na me pesa me ba no call Abraham nim se school no e nkremosom na tete school na na se e nkremofo no doso se bio e nkremom na tete school na I know se me ba ne ko no e school a e nkremofo school. So if I'm a member of the PTA, not say ko PTA meeting, I can raise an issue and say PTA board, please me ba no I love this school oko school ha me pesa be pass na oktumi ko nanim. Can you in some way no mobet to me amaya so ya dwendwene ape a way to make sure say enkwara no mo ha na omoso nya nkremofo no we can create an avenue for them to at least also feel comfortable when they want to practice their religion. The people on the PTAs they nkremofo wom you a Christopher wom sebio omunjimi they will have to sit and agree because ye nyina yema. So this issue is an issue the schools have to deal with it. This is not an issue the education minister has to deal with. This is not an issue the president has to deal with. This is not an issue that we need to go to parliament and discuss. Because Ghana na yetino ye Christopher nkremofo obianko ye. It is ameba eko eye persec na me nkremoni na meba wo ha na PTA anything aban we ban why introduce PTA. These are some of the jobs of PTA. Anything aban we ban or say PTA is important. Go to PTA meetings. These are issues that you raise at PTA meetings. Into Obay and Kremoni, na Okosko or Presec. Na say, O Pese, Oka, Oban religion as some say, Yama, Omu baby, Presec, Muslim students, or maybe 20. Na say, when you know, parents and PTA, and say, oh, PTA board, please. Ya somebody too many. Yanka say, Yamesi Masalaji Skuma. Yanka say, Yamano, Omundani school to Kremofo school, but your pescuno. Additional course on anything I did buy. Mobet to me and make key arrangements. Your man subet mania baby. Sebio asom. Omanya baby, omo ya sala, omet my sala. Omo baby, omo ya quenchra, omobet my quenchre. PTA is there to analyze these things, reason together, and make provisions. That is all. I see a Jimmy, I see a Nimi answer. And no one win them ha no can we and an cremofoni we be and an Christopher pen cremofo some intimate your motives. I don't know what Jimmy sir. Jimmy. It has not gotten to that point where we have to even argue about this for this to end up in court. Because the reason why Anyoma we nyina no eni se epie ebedru national as a national conversation say the PTA's job is to make sure these things are dealt with. Because Presec, during my time at Presec, there were Muslim students in my school. Sebio, now you call assembly, you call worship Sundays. They don't want to go. When you go to Presec, a small space was made for them to worship, and they were going there to worship. In fact, so call the not a science block. When you go down to Engman, when you're going down a little bit, now say opa. I don't even know how to explain it. Anytime you're bedroom baby. We keep quiet. We walk quietly. Because we know, say, this place has been dedicated to school. So it is the responsibility of the PTA because school beer was basically established on some ground, on some belief. But the priority of these kids in all these schools, and they say, first of all, they are going there for education. If they are going there for education, the next thing say or some now person then you can go to PTA meeting and tell the PTA say, me and Kremoni, me do school way, press before school. But me ban me person ko school no. Ne somne de ni so otwetwene. Inti PTA mo betumi am provision bi. E bi a classroom mako ne be yi am nkwara no. Na sebio se Christopher no ekọ SU for no kọ. Ana so mo so koye worshiper. Omo so betumi akọ ho. Sebio omo tina class till 5 p.m. Omo betumi akọ ho akoya sorry. Ebi omo break no person koya omo. It is not a mosque. It is we make the same way a Christopher bi ko tia masa. You betumi yi another room bi am say Sundays no monya mo worship ho. That's it. Why are we making this a big deal? There was so many things to think about. Mumu bi no ye Jimmy. A Christopher bi ye Jimmy and Nkremofo bi so Jimmy and ya tinchine so na ye kontokwa on what is the reason? This is a respect to every single school PTA wom. And I don't think say PTA leadership no more Jimmy out to the point to say obi awofo obi awofo na so wakotena PTA men you say PTA for no Jimmy out to the point say they hate Muslims or they hate Christians. No. I don't hear this platform. It does not hate any religion. And everybody in Ghana knows the lover platform where Christians and Muslims. It worries me when I see things like these that can be dealt with easily and people are exaggerating, bringing in things that are not important. In Krano school, they are not fighting. The young kids in the various schools are not fighting each other. In Korano are expecting their parents and their teachers to reason for them, think for them, guide them. So why are we sitting on TV and on radio making it look like say in Kremofoni a Christopher Kontokwa? Since ya womi Ghana, me won't say Kremofoni Christopher Koda. The last time we could some stupid write-up be Nana Jantoya. I went to school and I went to learn conflict resolution. Who and who are fighting? And point one, when conflict is about to start, and Mr. Jimmy, you know, muko school, muko sunyale kakra, mubipa motokura na Jimmy. What is conflict resolution about this? And I went to learn conflict resolution. Who? The chief imam of Ghana. He's one of the most respected people in Ghana. Do you think any Ghanaian can disrespect or undermine the Islamic religion in Ghana? The religion, the Christian religion. Do you think anybody can underestimate? No. We have lived in harmony. This is basically an administrative thing that we need to go back to the basics and fix. We need to go back to the basic and fix. Problem new and people are forcing problems. I've seen some young Muslim boys. They are on social media and they are trying to incite other people. You just say, this is not how to go. This is not how to go. This is an issue where this issue, and then can you say do TV so? This issue, and this can do TV so because our PTA system is weak. That's why we are having these problems. Because our PTA meetings, this thing, weak. Because this is the job of the PTA. It's PTA, no what you man saying. You see, Parents Teachers Association. You jaya ma ama teacher for school. Welfare. There's a reason to a teacher for at a point they call us to come as parents to think with them. It's your parents near bar. Why can't we put it before the teachers and say, "Me na me school na yenkremo for school. Me buy a Christo din am de buy. Embom or somebody there. Kamunya who me key some provision be ma me ban to me as suma. Me nka say yanda ninkremo for school no into Christian school." It's in the PTA meeting. We all sit, we judge. PTA will bring, okay, you're some old class, you're some location where we think say, in Kwaramia St. 30, they can go there. That's all. Oh, me bana ba presec or about Wesley girls or membano on Kwara we 200 and I'm 20 or me in Krimu Kwara. Please PTA meeting. Then I'm also yama in Krimu Kwara. Yankwara ye person mo some cost no musum. Yenim say addition no mobile, but or some so de here. It won't me make provision be and Kwara we so no they can go there. That's all. That's it. Obi and time obia. And then Ghana, we sit in Ghana and we let some fools just destroy this nation. Problem ni wa ni akofa problem aba. Problem ni wa ni akofa problem aba. Na ehona nkofo be tro kwasial articles. Nkofo be tro. What is all that? Majority of you people are in Ghana and muye dede yentiasie we Christoni we Nkremoni. You went through senior high school. You saw it. Majority of yeni Christo fonkwala ye school boy yankwa sorry. And I can say the same to a young Krimofonkwara. Majority of Krimofonkwara ikra and they to a yakun. Ye school crumple salakwa yenye. But it does not mean say yanto or something tonchini. Omusano or see the show it needs to be there. But we don't have to make it look like say I to say Obibe Kubi, who is going to fight who? In Kremo 4, any Christo 4, that's what make Ghana unique. Yet in harmony from the day Ghana was put together into school. Akorabeja baby I worshiping tina and the Ghana baby. And it's and there a Christophone in Kremophobe kontokwa. Now who Christo ni anan kremoni no Jimmy. Are you foolish? We need to reason beyond this and the mama bufu yakwa na jantwa. I got church on Facebook. I went to school and I went to learn conflict resolution. I don't know we all got to Ukraine. Who share conflict resolution we no wana ko Ghana. Got na bokwe. In kwasa sam na moso so Ghana sa intokwansi ya moso intokwesi. Confusion by moso confusion see. Let us go back to the PTAs, the respective schools, the parents, Monko PTA meeting. If you have a kid in a school or in Kreboni, na say akrano or Christopher school, go to PTA meeting and respectfully dialogue and let them understand. Yet the school no, adena mo chere wo ha na ye pe. Ye pese ye ba wie school ha, ye Kremofo, we believe in Islam. We believe it's a school no edo ye manti no mo je into school no can make some provisions for our kid so that omuso benya baby asom. Yes, so ye a Christopher ye ko school tia Ahmadiyya. Ye ko Islamic school. Ye do ye school no adusuanti ye de baba ye PTA ye parents. Please ye mba ye Christopher ye nhye school no ye nyina pese adwene ye betubenya a small place for our kids to worship. That is it. And then ye Jimmy sir. Hey, I just a Ghana and no continental radio swa na nkwasiafobia ba omo be discussing. Na some way see ye into headmaster no headmaster and Wesley girls headmaster on or power bang. No headmaster is powerful than any PTA in any school. Let's respect each other. Let us meet as adults. Let the PTA come together. Let adults meet. Let them discuss it. And then ye jijisika edi abua school dia yanka se we nkremoni we Kristoni. A do time a PTA Asia Ajiji Deuce, and me at the school, Nidia, I didn't say way in Kremofosika Yanje because school idea a Christopher. I didn't know Yajis our Tia Media and Asa Wesley gets a Yankas away a Christopher Kwasika. No, we are not supposed to do that. In Kranibetna, National Maths and Science Quiz, na ma ancestors. Do we say, wait there, or you butcher new or you turn into Yantiasia, butcher and your Catholic school? And Anglican school, I don't know. I didn't know we need Bucheno, Yanka sent tough one no. It doesn't work like the kids don't even see it that way. So we should reason for these kids. We should reason for them. We should meet. We should dialogue. We should make decisions for them. Decisions that will help their education. Akurabio SSBI is because they want to pass. And to picky school no. Menya sure say Obia picky school because of their religion because they pick the answer of picky school. No. 90% of Nkwara Omuko school or different schools in Ghana, they pick the schools because person Omuko Omuko Nyadien, Omuko Passe, Omuko University. Now so a school no at least ne somno so opese odanho suma ye betume din komo apekwan bi suma akwara bia som ne som. That's all. Jack, we are too foolish. Sometimes Annie and Jimmy, they are stressing the chief imam. They are stressing the schools. And it hurts, bufu. They are stressing our software. They are stressing. Let the PTAs take over this. This is a PTA conversation. This is not an education minister conversation. This is not a president conversation. This is a school. PTA. Let the PTA meet. Let them all meet. Say week way PTA. Na school be a PTA share. We will come. A conclusion will be done on this. And the boss away, Abu school way, Nankora Dinichi, no more cansam, no more. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Then our year. Into a catch our said, at that age, we need to guide them. Akrabu or Krampa, information about many parents, maybe and yet what is on the ground. So we need the parents to go sit to the teachers and come to a conclusion on something.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.